What's up everybody, Simon here. In this episode of Tech Visibility, we're going to go ahead, unbox, review, set up one of the coolest products out as well. A very popular product. This is the JBL by Harman, the Tune 225 TWS. Now, I've tested the 125 TWS. Those were great. The 225s are supposed to be better. They offer better battery life from what I understand. That's right, 25 hours. And they look pretty sleek with the case here. So overall, I'm excited to unbox, set up, and review these and go over how well they sound. Harman Kardon was one of the best audio components out in the past. They teamed up with JBL, or maybe JBL bought them. The previous JBL earbuds I tested were great. These are supposed to be better, so I'm excited. Before I get into this video, unbox, set up, review these, play some music, make a test call, I ask that you guys like this video. It's the biggest favor you could do for us. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and check out techvisibility.com if you're ever on the web cruising for some cool leaks, news, reviews, etc. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so the packaging is very similar to the packaging that we've done in the past with the other JBL earbuds. And overall, it's a big package for a small product, I would say. But on the packaging itself, you got true wireless, comfort fit, hands-free calls. These look like they're gonna be great for phone calls just based off the way they're shaped. Very similar to the AirPods or the second generation. And on here, play and pause on the right, left, or on the left earbud, you got previous and next. You could also play, pause, and hang up. Actually, sorry, the right one only does play, pause. But if you're in mono or in single mode, they actually both can play, pause, and hang up. So really interesting. It looks like in order to skip a song, however, you need the left earbud in. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. There's a little bit of tape here. I have removed that surgically, and it pops open from the bottom. Here's the packaging. Wow, this is pretty sleek, guys. I do like it. I do like how they look, to be honest with you. And I do like the matte black. A lot of people don't. It's a little bit of an interesting shaped case. It's not kind of even. Almost feels like a trapezoid a little bit. And in comparison to the third generation AirPods, they're pretty different. So if you look here, you can see that these are all streamlined, one shape, versus the JBLs. They wobble because it's not a straight case. I don't know if that matters to you, but the shape is off, and you can tell from the back, you know, it's fatter in the back side, or wider I should say, and on the front it's narrower, so it makes it look like it's a smaller case, but actually it's just bigger in the back. So overall, piano gloss finish, really nice left and right. These earbuds were not in, so we have to pop them in. They do fit really well and start charging really well as well. They pop in like so. There's some indicators here. All right, the case, good snappage. Overall, not bad. Let's see what else is included. Inside, just a USB-A to USB-C that's about 6 inches in length, and a quick start guide. That's all we're gonna look at. It's pretty long, so we're gonna have to go how to wear it. So you're supposed to actually wear them at an angle. This is the indicator of light of charging. They'll be on your pairing, so it has a fast pair option. Again, here's the manual controls. Power on the left or right. For 5 seconds you can hold to power. Reconnecting left or right, you just press for 3 seconds on these little buttons. And power off, you hold for 5 seconds. Power on, you hold for 2 seconds. Interesting. And then the commands, of course, on stereo mode. The left one is 1 press is forward, 2 presses is back, hang up, and accept calls is 1 press, hold for 3 seconds for mute. On the right ear, you got a double press for Google Assistant or Siri, and then pause or play is 1, and then hang up is 1 press as well, 3 seconds for mute. Overall, pretty good. That's it. So you could always reference that manual if you need to, but let's see how they sound. The most important part is these sound great. Here's how they look in my ear. Ooh, and I hear a nice little sound when they pop in, like almost an engine start, like a choo-choo-choo. And they're pairing, so let's get them paired up. There is some sound here. I'm gonna go into Bluetooth mode. There they are, the Tune 225 TWSs. And there's another sound that popped up letting you know they're paired. So let's play some songs. First, I'm gonna play a rap song, just like I always do. I wanna see the bass on these guys. Are these good or not? I am at about 80% in volume. Okay, here we go.
See, Rush. Plotting on the majors, trying to make it from the minors. Looking at what's ahead, trying to put it all behind us. To 5-star from a diner, I need seats with recliners. That's just a reminder when you want the things that's finer. Speak it into the universe.
Bass is good. Oh man, they sound good. They sound good. Oh, much better than the Pixel Buds that I just did a review on. The bass is clear, the treble is clear, the lows are good. I mean, I am enjoying the music right now. So I recommend these if you want good quality sound. Not sure about the case shape, but man, I'm in the song, man. Okay. All right. Yeah, all right. Okay, that rap song was great. That's how I should feel when I play quality earbuds. Let's go ahead and play something that's a little bit more mellow, more acoustics, not as much bass.
I've been feeling so small.
So I'm playing a different tune here, and oh man, these are good. These are good, guys. Wow. Oh, the bass is there. The song, it's just, this is a great earbud. Like, don't hesitate on this earbud. The link is below. These are about $80 right now on Amazon. I included the link again. Oh man, these are great. Okay, they look great too. They fit great. They'll never pop out. I feel like I could wear these and work out. A little bit long for my taste in terms of the earbud themselves, but overall, God, man, this sound excellent. So they have pure bass sound that's used by JBL. I see that. The sound of the bass is excellent. For $80, these sound incredible. Up to 25-hour battery life with the case on these. They are providing you pretty decent battery life. For $80, I've seen these go up to 40 hours. However, 25 hours is not bad. So it's a 5 plus 20. Basically giving you a full day of battery life before you have to charge. So you could use these in stereo mode or solo. So if one earbud is in, again, there's a little button here for accepting calls, rejecting calls, previous tracks on the left earbud, etc. So really nice. I do like the button. I really actually like that feel. They feel great as well and not heavy. It's a sleek charging case. Now JBL is saying it's inspired by a river stone. Oh, wow. Yeah, a river stone. I don't know. I thought it was a trapezoid case. So it's a little bit different, but they're trying to make it sound sleek and sexy. Personally, I'm not a fan of the case itself, just from the shape alone. It's awkward a little bit to hold. It's counterweight at different weights, and it's heavy at the bottom, and it kind of just doesn't feel right in my hand. However, they sound great, so I can't knock it. But for a case this big, I would expect it to hold a bigger battery life. Again, when we look at cases, and I just put two in front here, you see the differences, you see the different shapes. It looks bigger from the back and then looks sleeker. So I get what they try to do, but you know, the battery life could have been better. I do like that they have USB-C charging. I do like the USB-C cable that they include, orange, neat color. You'll never probably misplace these. However, overall, the case is not bad. It's not great. They do pop in really easily, as I mentioned in the past, and there is a charging indicator on both the earbuds themselves. There is a mic right here. So overall, there's no noise canceling. There's nothing like that on these earbuds. However, they sound fantastic. These sound much better than ANC earbuds I've tested. On ANC mode, the sound quality and the volume and just the bass, the clarity from the JBL Tune 225 TWSs is better than a lot of the ANC earbuds that I have tested. There are also 7 colors. You could get these in gold, black, white, pink, blue, ghost, orange, etc. So, and ghost, I think. So these have a lot of different colors that can fit your personality, so you don't have to have the typical black earbuds that are most popular, obviously. Now, for an extra $20, I will review them as well. You can opt for the JBL Tune 230 NC, which also add noise canceling to these 225s. The 225s sounded great, so I'm wondering how the 230 NCs are gonna sound. Check that review coming on the channel, but these were amazing in terms of quality, calls, and different genres in music. The bass was there in rap songs. The bass was subtle in a dance or a song that I played, and also very crisp clarity when I played a country music song. So overall, these are amazing. I would get them for $80. For $20 more, I'd probably opt for the noise canceling version, which I'll test soon, so check that review. The case is different on the noise canceling version as well. Anyway, if you enjoyed this review, if you enjoyed the feedback I've given you, and if you relate to it, comment below if you have these. Let me know if I was dead on with this review. And I appreciate the feedback. I appreciate a like if you like this video, and a subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check us out in the next review. Also stay tuned for the Tune 230 NCs that I'll be testing. The 225s were excellent. Definitely recommend them.